Cuba and I was dancing because I love to dance salsa, and I felt like someone kicked my Achilles or something happened in the middle of the dance floor, and I never recovered. It just got worse and worse and worse. I thought, if I just rest for a few days or something, it'll be better. And it got worse and worse and worse to the point where I couldn't even walk. I ended up having to use crutches even to go to work. And then I, was researching what to do and getting all this advice from all my friends, and everybody told me, oh, your Achilles is torn, you have to have surgery, you're going to be laid up for a year. And I was really depressed about that. So then I heard about your office and heard about stem cells, and I came to see you. And
so we did your procedure in August of 2017. So
right.
It's been about 6 months since you had it done. Tell me a little bit about the time course of how things went following that procedure.
After the initial pain of the surgery wore off, I was feeling better than I had before surgery, like within days.
Oh.
I still used crutches and I was still very careful, and but I could already tell that there was some hope. Then I remember you giving me the timeline for how I should take it easy and rest and everything. But I love dancing, and I have to admit, I went to Cuba a month later and danced a little bit. It was great. I only danced like maybe 2 songs,
Okay.
and it got a little sore. And it would get a little sore when I would use it a lot, but I was just thrilled that I could tell it was healing, and I could tell it was feeling better almost every day.
Awesome. And then over the course of the months following, when did you feel like things really started to change?
I started going back to Pure Barre. I started doing everything I'd done before the injury, and now the one that you fixed, I feel better than the one.
Better than the other side, huh?
Yeah. So I trust it. I can use it. It's amazing. My boss told me he had torn his Achilles. He's a former NFL football player. And he told me that he had, it was a year for him in a cast and all this recovery and all this stuff. And he told me not to mess around, just go get surgery and get it fixed. And then I keep teasing him now because he sees me and he saw how quickly I recovered. And I told him I grew a brand new Achilles.
And your activity level now is back to full tilt?
Now I can dance forever, and I can do all the exercise I used to do. I'm even back to the gym with my trainer. It's wonderful.
Great. And tell me a little bit about during the procedure. You were comfortable during the procedure?
Oh yeah, the procedure was great. It was so quick and so easy. And I remember just leaving your office, getting in the car and driving with my husband and my son to take him to Utah to go to college. So it was super easy.
And as far as working with the office at thriveMD, your global experience?
No, I love your office, yeah.
Well, thank you so much for taking a few minutes to fill the details in on this.
Sure, absolutely.